girls, Miss Wilkes here, and welcome to PE at Home. So our PE challenge today, we're actually going to be working on bowling skills. What? You don't have any bowling balls or bowling pins, Miss Wilkes, and that's okay. We're going to be using any kind of small ball that you have that is safe for indoor use. I have my sock ball right here, so again, it's just 2 socks rolled up and wrapped around. If you have a nice soft small ball, you can also use that. Any kind of small ball that you can roll to knock down our pin. What are we going to use for a pin today? Well, you can use any kind of water bottle or plastic bottle. So each player needs 1 water bottle and 1 ball. So I'm going to use the sock ball in my demonstration. You also need 4 things for your levels. So this is a 4-level challenge. How many points can you get? Each level that you beat is 1 point. It's going to be a minute and seeing how many points you can get in that minute. So you're always going to start at the starting point. So I put tape down. You don't need to put tape down. You can put anything down. You can put a shoe down for your starting point. You can put a towel down, whatever works for you. So your pin starts even with level 1. So I have level 1, level 2, level 3, and all the way at the end is level 4. If you don't have paper plates, you can just use pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As long as they are spaced out and you know what level you're on. You could also use shoes, lay out shoes or small pillows or stuffed animals, whatever you want to do as long as you know which level you're on. So as I said, this is going to be a 1-minute challenge. So you're going to see how many points you can get in 1 minute. We start at the starting point with your bowling ball. And my water bottle pin is already set up at number 1. So when the timer starts in the 1 minute, I'm going to step with my opposite foot, aiming, rolling like a bowling ball, trying to knock down the pin. If the pin gets knocked down, I get to move the water bottle to the next level. So if I knock it down at 1, I get to move it to 2, trying to get all the way to 4 and getting a point for each level that I beat. Alexa, start the timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, here I go. Stepping opposite foot. Oh, I missed, so I leave it where it is. Get the yarn ball, sock ball. Bring it down. Stepping with the opposite foot. Oh, I missed again. My goodness. Okay, aiming, aiming. Yes, I knocked it down. 1 point. I'm moving the pin to 2. Back to the starting point. A little farther, stepping and rolling. Oh, right back. Oh man, okay, here we go. Stepping and rolling. Goodness, all the way back. All right, I'm gonna change it up because this little part at the top might be messing me up. Here we go, I'm gonna go sideways. Yes, got it. 2 points, moving to 3. Here we go. Woo! That bottle up. Back to the beginning. Stepping, aiming. Oh, just missed it. Hey, only 2 points, come on. Okay, so as you can see, I only got 2 points that round. Alexa, timer off. So I would love to see how many points you guys can get. All right, boys and girls, so as you saw, I only got 2 points that round. So I would do this again. I can set the timer and try to beat 2 points. Hopefully I can do that with the next round, or you can play against someone. So I'm gonna go against Darby on this one. So Darby has her own water bottle. She has her own starting line, and she has her own bowling ball. So again, we're gonna do a 1-minute timer challenge and see who can get the most points. Are you ready, Darby? Okay. Alexa, start the timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Game on. Darby with 1.
I got 1, 2, 3
Alexa,
points.
stop.
Darby got 1, 2, 3, 4. Good game, guys.
All right, so again, you can do it against each other. You can just try to beat your own score. But as you can see, really getting my heart rate up with this one. You could also add an exercise every time you come back and start at the starting line. So I hope you enjoyed today's challenge. Again, looking for you to be creative with different things around your house. If you do any kind of challenges, the ones that I've shown you or your own, please feel free to send them in, okay? And we can share them with others. So stay safe, get your sweat on, check out the resources for additional ways for you to get your exercise. I miss you guys, I love you, and hope to see you soon.